Today I'll be showing you how to make a braided bracelet similar to the one that I made in my last video, the plastic bag braided bracelet. That's kind of like a tongue twister, but yeah. For this project you will need scissors, a clipboard. I purchased mine at Office Depot for $1. Yarn, and I'm using thin yarn, and it's about medium 4 weight. And the last thing you need is a hot glue gun or a very strong glue. First, what you need to do is take your yarn and cut out a long piece, like a very long piece. And I'm just making mine super duper long. You are going to cut 3 of these. Once you have cut your strings, you need to tie them. So I'm just making a loop and then sticking the strings inside of the loop and then pulling up on the strings to make a knot. Now I'm taking my clipboard and I'm just going to clip it onto the clipboard. Now I'm going to separate these into 3 sections. Now all you want to do is just start braiding. Here's my dog, Jack. Jack, say hello. Aww. So I'm just going to start braiding. Once you have reached a very long amount, you can tie a knot with your yarn. Just a simple knot. And you can tie like 1 knot or 2 knots, it doesn't really matter. And then you can cut off the extra yarn. You can take it off of your clipboard. So what I'm going to do with this bracelet is I'm going to tie it onto my own wrist. Stick my finger right here, cross it over, set it down, take this one and go under, and then I'm going to put my mouth in this one, and I'm going to tie a knot. Very simple and easy to do. And I'm basically going to do the same thing again. And for my bracelet not to come undone, all I'm going to do is I just now plugged my hot glue gun in, and I'm going to glue the ends. And I'm going to do this off camera because I don't want to do it on the camera because I might mess up something. So I'm finally done making my bracelet, and this is the string hot glue. So this is what it looks like. Looks kind of bad, kind of not at the end. Like it looks kind of bad at the end. But other than that, it looks awesome. So that was how you make the yarn bracelet, and it's like exactly the same like size as this one. To support and join the fun family, please subscribe, and if you try this project out, please leave a big fat thumbs up on the video. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next